Okay, once you have connected your hearing aids to the iPhone, connected your hearing aids to the Smart 3D app, you're now ready to open your app and start using it. So when you open up the app, it starts on the screen. This is called the home screen. You'll see 4 different screens that you can select at the bottom. We've got home. Home is where you're going to adjust volume and programs. Status tells you your battery life. So here you'll see that the hearing aid is connected because it's white. If it's red, it means it's disconnected. And then it will show you how much battery you have. If you go to My ReSound, this is where you're going to find your hearing aids. If you've lost them, you can click Find My Hearing Aid, and it tells you the last location where the hearing aids were located. You can also learn about the app, and then you can also request assistance. There will be a separate video going over this. The last screen is the More tab. I usually tell people to stay out of this tab unless you know what you're doing, because you can disconnect the hearing aids to your app by putting the hearing aids on demo mode. How you know if your hearing aids in demo mode is you'll see demo over here right above More. I'm currently in demo mode so that I could record this and actually have audio going through. So we're going to go back to the home screen. This is where you're going to spend most of your time. You'll see this slider here on the bottom. This is volume. The numbers that you see are arbitrary. They don't necessarily mean a decibel level. It just means that you're raising and lowering the volume. On the far left, you see the microphone. That is mute. So that actually turns the aids off in your ears. And then if you, on the far right, you'll see 2 lines with a bar. This is how you separate right and left if you're wanting to make adjustments. On this all-around program, you'll see that you have options for a noise filter. What you can do there is push noise filter, and it's going to reduce the background noise to the maximum. You also have speech clarity. What speech clarity does is it's going to raise the high frequencies for better clarity of speech. You'll also see here up at the top of the screen, you have the all-around. You have a knife and fork for restaurant. You've got an outdoor program. And these are going to be different for every person. It's dependent on how the hearing aids were set up. Most patients will have the all-around and the knife and fork for restaurant. We can add the other programs as needed. Lastly, I want to go through this button down here at the very bottom called Sound Enhancer. This is where you can go in and actually raise and lower the mids and high frequencies of the hearing aids on your own. You'll also see in this screen, we have what is called the Tinnitus Manager. So if your audiologist set your hearing aids up with a tinnitus masker, you will click here, and this will allow you to manipulate how the sounds are coming in and out. The masker is playing through the hearing aids, and you can raise and lower the volume of the masker that way.